Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is just like to open up any YouTube Shorts and then we will need just to speed it up. And basically the idea is just to make it as a full screen or make it as a normal video or transform it to a normal video so we can speed it up. And to do so, we will be needing to go to the Shorts panel or uh, the Shorts panel or the Shorts tab. And basically from here, we will be able or we won't be able to find anything concerning the speed from the settings or from this customization menu. And to speed it up, we will be needing just to make it as a normal video. And to do so, we will need just to transform this URL. As you can see, in the URL of YouTube is composed by the domain name and then the subdomain as shorts, then the ID of this short. So this is the ID of this short, and it will be changing within each ID or each short. So now all we need to do is just to change these shorts to watch. And by doing that, we are just going to make it watch. And then it will become like the view of any normal or any other video. And from here, you will be able to have the playback speed as for any other or for any other YouTube video. So we are just going to make it as twice speed, and as you can see, it's the playback is increased. So basically, those are the steps to follow so you can be able to speed up your shorts in uh, YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you next time.